Methodology of Econometrics, search from the scratch, for beginners to understand the methodology of econometrics. So, what is methodology of econometrics? The methodology of econometrics is the study of the range of differing approaches to undertaking econometric analysis. The econometric approaches can be broadly classified into non-structural and structural. The objective of methodology of econometrics is study of the range of differing approaches to undertaking econometric analysis. Broadly speaking, traditional econometric methodology proceeds along the following steps. Number 1 step of traditional econometric methodology is statement of economic theory. Number 2 step of traditional econometric methodology is specification of the mathematical model of the theory. Number 3 step of traditional econometric methodology is specification of the econometric model of the theory. Number 4 step of traditional econometric methodology is obtaining the data. Number 5 step of traditional econometric methodology is estimation of the parameters of the econometric model. Number 6 step of traditional econometric methodology is hypothesis testing. Number 7 step of traditional econometric methodology is forecasting or prediction. And number 8 step of traditional econometric methodology is using the model for all policy purposes. Structural models use mathematical equations developed by economists, and thus the statistical analysis can estimate also unobservable variables. For example, elasticity of demand, and use unknown, but constant, parameters. Structural models allow to perform calculations for the situations that are not covered in the data being analyzed, so-called counterfactual analysis. For example, the analysis of a monopolistic market to accommodate a hypothetical case of the second entrant. Non-structural models are based primarily on statistics, although not necessarily on formal statistical models. Their reliance on economics is limited. Usually the economic models are used only to distinguish the inputs, observable, explanatory, or exogenous variables, sometimes designated as X, and outputs, observable, endogenous variables, Y. Non-structural methods have a long history. In short, the methodology of econometrics is concerned with rules governing the building of statistical models in economics. Commonly distinguished differing approaches that have been identified and studied include the Cowles-Commission approach, the vector autoregression (VAR) approach, the LSE approach to econometrics, originated with Dennis Sargan, now associated with David Hendry, and his general to specific modeling. Also associated this approach is the work on integrated and cointegrated systems originating on the work of Engel and Granger and Johansson and Giselius 1999, the use of calibration, Finn Kydland and Edward Prescott, the experimentalist or difference in differences approach, Joshua Angrist and Bjorn Stefan Pischke. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.